So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add a group email ID in your Outlook. Create and contact group in your Outlook. So guys, to add email ID in your group, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you log in your outlook.live.com, okay, with your account. Here you confirm that you are properly logged in or not, okay. After that guys, here you see the option of go to groups, so you just click on go to groups. After click here you see the option of new group, so just click here, enter a group name, so we just team1, enter the description, so team1 for web, okay. Then guys, here you simply create. After creating, it asks you to add members, okay. So guys, here you add your members, so I'm here, enter members and click email and add it, okay. So guys, here you see that my group is created and currently we have two members. And if I want to send the mail, so I send the mail. Here I am create calendar, groups and files. So this is the way that I can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.